Welcome back everyone, I'm Gabriel, you're watching Drum Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to start 40 rudiments in 40 days. First one up, the single stroke roll. Best thing I found for developing the single stroke roll is to take a rhythm scale, quarter note triplets. We will then go to eighth notes, triplets, 16th notes, sextuplets, 32nd notes, and back down. I'll put the music down below, and here we go. Twice as many this time, 2 bars of each. For more videos like this, check out one of these.